Take a ride in the 2022 Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated side mirrors, remote keyless entry, headlights auto off, cruise control, trip computer, steering wheel leather wrapped, bucket seats, cloth seats, rear defrost. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.